Hello art lovers, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw a nose in different angles in an easy way. So, let's get started. Like always, we'll start with the basic shape. It's like a triangle, I guess. We'll make two triangles, the upper one which is longer and the bottom one which is shorter. Make an egg between both these triangles. Our basic figure is done. Now we'll make the nostrils. Add two curves on the side. Make them both equal. And don't forget the bottom curve. Make it a little flat. Make the bridge of the nose and add the curves in between. It will give the nose a more natural shape. And add a little highlight. It'll make your nose shine. Mark the lighter area. This way, you'll know where not to shade. Then we will start shading. As I said earlier, leave the highlight at the area you marked earlier. Okay, a little shading won't hurt. Then shade in the outer area of the nose. Pro tip, instead of shading straight, use shapes like semicircle and semi-triangles. It will make the shading look more dynamic. And our nose is done. Guess you'll figure out the rest on your own.